Ito po ang ating stat line, 25-16, 13-7 ang lamang na Ateneo sa attacks. Ba, equal lang sa errors, Ana?
Oo, pero yun nga, no, Ateneo's really difficult to stop nung fourth set. Nahirapan talaga ang TIP. Maganda yung umpisa ng TIP though, no? Nasabayan nila yung Ateneo, but really Ateneo just pulled away and TIP couldn't do anything about it.
And TIP will have to rise to the challenge. I like the spirit of Acuna. She was actually getting some spikes in, some kills in, but it has to be double the effort. I think it will have to start. I think you made the suggestion. It has to be on the defensive end.
Oo, actually, ang importante dyan, alam na nila, given already that Ateneo has very strong offense, what you need to do is to really work on your defense. Just keep the ball alive.
Yes.
Patagalin mo. And we've seen one long rally nung first set.
Yeah.
Na talagang hiningal naman silang lahat.
Basta po sa second set, pagka pumunta na naman ang bola rito, itataas ko po, papaluin ako ni Andre Molia.
Magandang aabangan ko.
Tapos may coverage na si Miyaka dito. Si Direk Freddy, nakastambay na rin. At si Noel. Swerte itong Noel at Miyaka, walang 5 sets ngayon. Ano?
Oo.
1-0.
Proud nga silang dalawa eh.
Oo.
Congratulate ko sila after.
After the game. May utang pa ako sa crew ng 11 sets ng isang araw. Samantala, ang magsaserve para sa TIP ay si Alyssa Gail Layog, number 11. Pasok. Giselle goes to Alyssa. Sinuntok. Oy, net touch dapat yun, ha? I would call a net touch. Yes.
It's called.
Against TIP.
Right.
No.
No, against Ateneo.
Against Ateneo. Tumama si Alyssa.
Right. You ang iyong comment doon. Pero ito yung nagiging problema ng TIP. Kayang sabayan sa umpisa, nawawala sila sa bandang dulo.
Ty Bundit reminding the Lady Eagles of their position. In the meantime, Bea De Leon. Alam mo, kailangan sabayan nila si Bea De Leon. Hindi dapat nila panoorin eh. Di ba?
Dahil quick set yan.
It's an obvious set naman. It's going to be quick. She's not gonna get an open set. Di ba?
Or patong. Rarely do they give her yung mga differential sets.
Short. Acuna lands very short and Ateneo leads 3-2. Ty Bundit almost voice operating the team. PLDT Ultrafast LTE for a happy family. Speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. In the meantime, Espinosa, Verano. Short on that attempt that time by Maderazo. Here's Valdez.
Good dig.
Sarmiento fighting back. Maderazo. Giselle Bea. And a whistle against Ateneo. It's a net touch.
And see, this is where we say, importanteng maging matyaga itong TIP sa depensa. Just keep the ball alive.
Can't do anything about the net touch. They're really if we before the under 23 lulusot yan eh.
Oo, pero ngayon.
Parang old rules na eh, no?
Yep.
By the way, earlier, Miss Gretchen Ho, you used to play for the Lady Eagles. Somewhere there in the corner, direct. Nagtatago actually.
Andun.
Ayun. Yan, there. Ay, dahil nagbe-beach volleyball, sabi ko, hindi na kita makita. And that is long. Oh, it's an ace. Tinawag as ace, no? Tama, 5-3. May improve ni Alyssa through the years. Especially over the last year in service niya, no?
Consistent.
Although long yan. Siyempre, inasar ko. Diba?
Ganun talaga pag binabate. But more consistent. Yeah.
At saka medyo nilalagyan na niya ng laman. Dati easy lang yan eh. Ngayon medyo may pitik na ng konti. Padikit ito mga kaibigan. Ateneo took the first set 25-16 but it's a close one here. 5-4. Ahumio. Sayang. Hindi umakyat. Good effort by Fidel. In the meantime, Manny Matayak sees action for the first time.
Look at the height, no? Height
Yeah.
average of Ateneo.
Official outfitter of the Sheikh is really, and this is a new generation. You know, you
Oo.
pointed this out, you know, of tall ladies.
Yup, dati.
They found it
Medyo...
awkward. Yan.
Oh,
Ang
ngayon,
gusto ko,
iba na, yung
athletic
build,
eh.
yung
Athletic eh.
stance.
Boy. Parang silang dinaan sa stretcher. Watch this. Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Si Typhoon kasi gusto niya tall and long.
Long legs, long arms.
Kasi feeling niya sa blocking eh, di ba? Big feet. Sama yun eh, no? And De Leon whirling around.
Not happy with that service error.
Nobody is, ano? Pero
Wala. Pero nangyayari talaga siya eh.
Kainis eh. Kainis lang talaga. Well,
It's just frustrating because you're the only one there.
oh. Kasi dalawa kalaban outside or short eh.
Minsan mas okay yung outside, baka kuhanin.
Oh. Ateneo with a slight lead at the technical timeout mark. Facebook and Instagram places to go to for GMA Public Affairs social media sites. Miyakalim will keep us posted.
Maraming salamat, Sev. Alam mo, para dito sa kupunan ng TIP, they're still relaxed but ready to go head-to-head para dito sa Ateneo. Sabi nga ni Coach Boy, hindi na nga daw nila iniisip itong si Eliza. Ang iniisip nila is about making points. Sabi ni Coach, Eliza will be Eliza. Our focus is on the things we have control of, and that is contributing and thinking about what is necessary inside the court. Sabi niya, we can expect a more scrappy TIP here in the second set. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Miyakalim Maraginot shot is short. And I'm together with Anna Mulyakanda presenting to you this game on this very great afternoon on GMA News TV. It's a battle for position. If TIP manages to score a win here, they will get into the next round almost outright, closing out San Sebastian. And I think
DLSU.
Dasma, no?
Currently kasi 3-way tie sila at a 1-3 win-loss record. So, importante ang kanilang mga remaining games to break away from that tie.
Plus the games, we're doing this on a Saturday, plus the games tomorrow. In the meantime, unable to lift it up is Maderaso together with Espinosa. 10-6. Go ahead,
Oo,
Dan.
tama rin yung sinabi ni Coach sa kanyang team, sa Lady Engineers. Eliza will be Eliza at hindi yan mawawala dyan. Nandyan at nandyan yan maglalaro yan. Importante is for them to be scrappy and yun ang expected sa kanila ngayong second set.
Mainit na ulo ni Ty Bundit. Hindi na nakakatuwa ito.
Napakarami yun ng service error. Sabi ni Coach Ty.
Akala ko ba black party, hindi yung puro serve ang problemahin natin. In the meantime, Ella makes it a set for Eliza. The net is still shaking, but that's because of the ball. Maderaso, Eliza Valdez skidding for it. Here is the shot of Maraginot. TIP holding fort. It drops. And they got a break with the help of the net there. TIP keeping it close. Here's Verano, team captain. Giselle kneeling down. Valdez is blocked. And it does not cross over. 4 touches by Ateneo.
So far, so good for TIP.
And Verano will be serving again. Close to the net. Regalo. Regalo pa rin yan. Hindi lang ma-pound sa pan ng TIP. Ang dapat palo na yun eh. Verano. Layog. Out.
Sayang yun. Wasted opportunity for TIP.
Nagigil eh.
Oo. Tsaka doon na siya nakaharap. Doon pa rin niya inanggulo.
For for fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. You're watching the Shakey's B-League here on GMA News TV. And that is out of reach